give it small pulls, but when Dad was tying a knot, he accidentally pulled the tooth out.
Well, then it was really loose.
I was like,
All right, boys and girls, we are going to get started with the morning meeting today. And I'll start us off with the classroom mantra. So repeat after me. I can learn. I am kind.
I am kind.
I am loved.
I am loved.
I have a positive attitude.
I have a positive attitude.
And I'm ready for a great day with Miss Hay and Miss Coleman.
Great day with Miss Hay and Miss Coleman.
Awesome. So Miss Coleman does not have internet today, so you won't be meeting with her for math, but you'll still be meeting with me for reading at the time that I sent out, okay? So if you're on the gold team or the gold schedule, then you'll be meeting with me for reading today. If you're on the red, you won't be meeting with me today. You'll just be doing your regular Friday stuff, okay? And our question of the day is, what is your favorite special class? What is your favorite special class? So if you want to answer, make sure that you press the raise hand button, and I'll call on you. All right, so you've got gym, art, music, computer lab. Lily Sutton, what's your favorite? Art? Okay. Caden Thorne, what's your favorite?
Computer lab.
Computer lab. It is pretty fun. Brantley Rollins, what's your favorite? Art. I'm sure Mr. Boone would love to hear that. Zoe Black, what's your favorite?
Mine is gym. Well, what is yours? I don't know. I think it would be art, music, library. Yeah.
Oh, and library. I forgot about library.
Miss Tana is very nice.
She is. You're right.
So is library. Actual art and music. Okay, so like all of them.
She likes all of them. Morgan, what's your favorite?
I like PE.
PE. Okay, I'll pick a couple more people. Eli, what's your favorite? Gym. Okay. Lily and Russell, what's your favorite?
PE.
PE, gym. Okay. And one more. Colt, what's your favorite?
Probably art and gym.
Art and gym. They are really fun. Okay. Well, thank you all for telling me what your favorite special class was. If you are meeting with me, if you're on the gold team, you'll be meeting with me for reading. If you have a question, you can stay on here. But if you don't have any questions, you can get off, okay? But remember, Miss Coleman won't be meeting with you today. It'll just be me, okay? If you are on the gold team. Gold team. Yes, Lily.
Bye.
Bye.